what's going on and welcome back. Basically, this is mid-drive, this is Podge, and the two people hiding in the back are Alex and Ben. And this is basically what I think of the car. This car has never been more overloaded than two slightly overweight males. Slightly. Two people in the back, a set of golf clubs, a load of beer. What else we got?
No, he said one pack of it.
Yeah, Podge, don't put yourself down like that.
Oh, red light, you got to stop.
Oh, is that what it means, Podge?
There you go, Jack, you could have got that for £7 grand.
Yeah, but that means I'd have to take up a BTEC in hairdressing. He's pointing at us in DS3.
Fucking hell, kill two birds in one stone.
I don't get that.
You have a decent car and a fucking decent haircut.
Oh, that's a bit harsh. It's a little bit uncalled for. If you was to give a quick rundown, Podge, of what you think of the car, I did same with the other two. You need to give one good point and one bad point. There's a young man looking at the car now.
If I was gay, I'd buy one.
You drive a Corsa?
Yeah,
there's too many bad
me,
points.
and people would give me less abuse for driving it. So far I've been abused
Too many
3
bad
times in
points.
one car park.
To be fair, all three of them was probably me.
Too many bad points. One plus is that you can actually plug your phone.
Fair assessment.
But you
You
can't
can't hear the music. Podge, what do you drive? Tell the lovely viewers at home what you drive.
Ford Fiesta 2008.
8 brake horsepower.
It doesn't make near 1,000 decibels, so I'm quite happy.
I'm not that far off 1,000. Only 109.
What happens when you get to 1,000? You get a medal or something?
You lose all hearing and your ears bleed. I'm going to have to put subtitles on all this because you're so muffled by the fact that you're hiding your face.
Can you blur my face out due to legal reasons?
What, like Crime Watch?
Yeah.
Got a bean can of fucking...
To give a quick review, out of 10. Out of 10, guys, out of 10.
0.1. It's 10 out of 10 embarrassing.
Coming up.
We'll shut the door then. He's a special kind of fella, isn't he?
He's got IBS.
Oh,
Take out the
fucking
wing.
hell. Oh, that was close.
Yeah, I haven't tried.
Told you just get me out this fucking bean can.
So I'm just going to get drunk instead.
Get these clubs off me and get me out.
So this has been my, what?
Get me the fuck out.
We've already all got it.
This is like half of my group of friends. As I said, Alex is there. Shut up, Podge.
It's pony.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, that's Alex. That's Ben. It's a bit harsh. So this is Ben. This is Benjamin Wilkes. And this is Alex. Right. They've just had their first experience in the F16 fighter twat. What do you reckon? Right, what I want one good point about the whole car and one bad point. Go.
It's got seats.
Yeah, but I'm taking the back seats out soon.
Oh, well, there you go. That's your good point, God. The wheels are pretty nice. There you go.
Well, they're getting sold anyway.
You've had many here, Jack, then.
That's them. So yeah. Don't marry.
My fucking God. Jesus Christ. Well, we're going to go then. Hold up. Just back, mate. Jesus Christ, man.
Unnecessary amount of noise.
What?
That noise is a bit unnecessary, isn't
How have you not beaten up yet?
No idea. It's quieted down a bit now.
it? Quiet it down, is it?
That is just pointless. That popping, mate.
What is that popping about? Seriously,
It's not the big old fucking wing on the back.
big
is
old
it?
red ones being come Looks like we're about to take off. Fuck's sake.
Joke! What the fuck? Go in your car.
That is a joke.
Is anyone behind Harry? Right, this is full to the floor, ready?
That's a joke.
People are coming up like a fucking road. So what do we all think? You're all on camera. This is Josh, this is Liam, and this is Lewis. Your Instagram's going to be on the screen if you like.
What?
Your Instagram's going to be on the screen if you like. So all the dirty birds know where to find you. On the internet. Yeah, to my many fans.
No, that'd be dancing like a cunt.
No, I can cut it out, Liam.
We'll cut you out, it's boring.
I'm just going to like cry and watch your whole face, Liam.
You've got no choice with Lewis, you can't fucking see him, let alone cut him out.
That's the thing though, like,
That's the thing, even my car sounds loud from the outside.
No, it
I've only
doesn't.
got something on the door.
Shut up, Liam.
I can only
You
imagine.
got a fucking, when you get a back fucking box, whatever it is, what did you put on your exhaust?
You know, we got raped. That was the price. We
You
got raped.
drove to Essex, £150 to put a fucking little nozzle on your exhaust. Oh, here we go. Here we fucking go.
I'm just going to drive up and turn around and love it. That was 1,000 revs.